Show you how to adjust grain in the Lightroom app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the right side, click on Effects, and here under Effects, we have grain. Let me zoom in to show you. If we increase the grain, this is how it's going to look. And if we decrease the grain, it just becomes the general thing. You can also increase the size of the grain or decrease the size of the grain. And then we can increase the roughness or decrease the roughness. You can achieve some quite beautiful and nice vintage vibes with these grain types. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.